you can set up a booking page where you can be able to allow contact to book a call using your booking page. So what you need to do is to click on the booking page, and it is going to take you to this place where you can create a booking page. So to create a booking page, you just need to click on this, and it's going to ask you if you want to create a one-on-one. If you only want to create a one-on-one, that means the contact can only meet with only one person. If it is also a group event, you can say that multiple people can book the call at the same time. So let's create a one-on-one page and let's see how that is going to look like. So we can add in the service image. So let's just add in a random image here, and we can name this as let's say we want to name this consultation call, and we can add in the page link as the name also, or you can change it to whatever you want. You can add in a description here and just say something like this is a call to help us understand what you need. And you can decide to create this booking as an event, or you can decide to create it as a call. So you can also decide that the event type is offline or if it is online. So if it is offline, it has to be a physical location. That means it can be your participant's location, or it can even be your own business location. That means your own office. So if it is your participant location, you can add that. But if it is online, you can also decide that you want to use Zoom meeting. And if you add in other any other meeting app like Google Meet or like Zoom, you can also add that in here. So we are using Zoom meeting here, and it is asking us to, oh, if we're using Zoom, it is asking us to connect to Zoom, but I don't want to use Zoom, so I'm going to use Zoom meeting, and I'm going to assign this to myself, and I'm going to click on next, and it is asking me for the duration of the meeting. So we can say that the duration of the meeting should be 30 minutes, or it can be 90 minutes, or it can be 120 minutes, whatever it is you want. And we want a reminder to be sent 30 minutes before the meeting, or we want it 15 minutes before the meeting. Our availability for this call, this is the time that people can be able to book a call on this calendar. So we can say that we only want to accept calls from Monday to Thursday. We do not want Friday and weekends, and we only want this call to be scheduled from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So that means anything outside of this time is not going to, let me copy to other days. So let's copy to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Apply. Yes, as you can see, it has changed that. So that means any time outside of this time, they will not be able to book a call. And when you are done with your availability, as you can see, the time zone is in Africa, Lagos. That is because that is what I have set my own time zone to be. If your own is EST, this time is also going to be in EST. So you have to make sure you are very, very cognizant of this. Um, you have to make sure that you are very, very particular about the time you are adding, because this is going to show up at different time zone, and you want to make sure you set it to the available time. So this is going to show up in different time zones. So if anybody from maybe US or UK is seeing your time zone, it is going to be a different time for them. So you click on next when you set that up. You can also decide to add in a participant form. So we can add in, this form will be the form that is going to be filled before they can book in the call. So we can say we want to add in and their first name, obviously. We want to add in the first name. Let me add fields. Add in the first name. We want to add in their challenges or their pain points. We want to add in do they use CRM software, and we want to add in their industry and their website. So you can also decide to set this as mandatory if you want. Set whichever one you want as mandatory. So after setting whatever you want as mandatory, you can then click on finish. And when you click on finish, your booking page has been created. And now you can see the link to your booking page where you can be able to embed on your website if you want, using the iframe, or you can copy the link and share with people, maybe through your email or through your website button, whatever it is you want to add, and they can then come into this page where they can be able to book a call. So as you can see, this is our booking page, and people can be able to book a call to us from here. And let's say we book a call for the 18th of December. Then it is asking us if we want to use 24 hours or AM or PM. Then I want to use AM or PM. And as you can see, the time zone in here is West African time. I can decide that if I'm on the EST time zone, I want to change this to EST time. So I'm just going to change the time, and as you can see, it is a different time for me. So the we are from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. So I'm just going to say that I want this meeting at 9 a.m. and it's going to ask me for my name, and I need to put in all of these details. Oh, okay. So my let's
See, my last name is Emma. Okay, let's see, Gloria.
Okay, so I have filled in this form, the booking form, and I can click on confirm booking. And when I click on confirm booking, it is going to book that call in Zoho Begin. And as you can see, the event has been scheduled. It has been scheduled for December 10th, 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. at Eastern Standard Time (EST). So I can decide to schedule another event if I want, and I can pick the particular date and time that I want, and you can select whatever time it is you want. So when I go back into my Zoho Begin page, I should be able to see the new event that was created. So when I go back to activities and I refresh my page, as you can see, we have this call for the 10th, and that means this call has been added in here, and you can see all of the information about the call. You can see the participants, and this also will have created a contact in Zoho Begin. So this is the name of the event, and you can see the participants. You can copy the invitation link, and you can send this invitation link to another person from you can send the invitation link where people can be able to like come into this particular meeting. So that is for booking page. I hope now you understand how to use this particular part of your Zoho Begin account, or you understand this particular feature. If you would like to book a free discovery call with us to tell us the challenges or to tell us what you are currently having issues with in your Zoho Begin account, you can click on the link below and book your discovery call. And also do not forget to like this video and also share this video to everyone who might need this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be posting more educational content like this, and we do not want you to miss it. Thank you so much, guys, as you do that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.